Imagine the ideal calibration software for your lab. It's always there for you, like a best friend. It gives you the information you need whenever you want, almost like Google. All you need is an internet connection. It manages calibration procedures and laboratory equipment in multiple locations and languages. Multitasking at its best. You can even add user roles. And what if you want to restrict access? It will set authorizations and security passwords for you. Digitally sign documents and share with users. Because who uses a pen these days? Always keep track of your equipment. Plan costs and resources, because money is your valuable time. Don't worry about calibration intervals. It does it for you. You just need to check your email. That's simple. It doesn't have equipment favorites. It supports many of them. Everything is fully automated. Really everything? Yeah. From receiving the instrument, the technical measurement procedure, to calculating the results and generating the calibration certificate. With this software, you will make your auditor happy. It facilitates the audit and is compliant with ISO standards and will soon be validated. And you know what's the best? You don't need any additional calibration software. In myScal, you can calibrate balances, pipettes, or weights, or all three. You just put it together like a puzzle, the way it suits you the best. This software may be an ideal solution for your calibration lab, because myScal is a seamlessly smart calibration software. Hi, welcome to the world of myScal calibration software. Today, I will introduce you to the main features of this latest generation calibration software on the market. Managing large amounts of data, equipment, and measurement results is often a major challenge for calibration laboratories, especially when it comes to the digital transformation of your laboratory operations. That's why we designed myScal, the only software on the market for managing laboratory equipment and calibration procedures for balances, weights, and pipettes in only one software solution. myScal is a program used in all segments of the industry, from research and development to the pharmaceutical and food and beverage industries, drug manufacturing to chemical products. When developing the software, we paid special attention to optimizing the calibration process, so take a look at myScal benefits that can help your laboratory reduce time and save costs and resources. myScal was developed as a web application in the cloud, which means that you don't have to install it locally on your computer. You just need a web browser to access the application. This allows you to always have access to laboratory data in one place, whether you use a cell phone, tablet, or computer. myScal operates on the principle of software as a service structure, which means that there is no additional investment in IT equipment, maintenance costs, and supporting infrastructure. You only pay for the license, the service of using the application. Whether you manage larger or smaller quantities and types of equipment, myScal gives each lab complete modularity. You can choose 1, 2, or all 3 modules for calibrating balances, weights, and pipettes. It allows users complete flexibility in choosing the desired module for laboratory operations and is not limited in terms of input methods and equipment manufacturers. The use of paper and pen for myScal are a thing of the past. This advanced software allows you complete electronic management and data transfer. Digitalization of laboratory calibration procedures and documentation using the myScal program completely minimizes the use of paper documentation, which also has a positive impact on the environmental segments of your business, and significantly facilitates the work and management. Generate digital calibration certificates, electronically sign them, and digitally share with your customers. myScal enables complete digitalization and automation of your business. It reduces labor costs and increases the level of service quality. With this smart solution, you can automatically retrieve measurement results, for example from a Sartorius device, mass comparator, or balance. This achieves greater speed and efficiency, minimizing the risk of human error, repetitive actions, or accidental errors when entering, sending, and documenting data. One of the additional benefits we offer to users of myScal software is myScal, a separate Windows program with Windows servers that acts as an external plug-in for myScal program for communication with Sartorius balances. This program acts not only as an extension to myScal, but you can also use it as a standalone Windows application to save minimal sample weight from any Sartorius balance in Excel or another application. myScal is fully compliant with the requirements of the relevant standards and guidelines for calibration of balances, pipettes, and weights. With the myScal program, we facilitate audits for calibration laboratories and equipment users because it provides complete traceability of all data in accordance with regulatory requirements. It has been adapted to ISO standard, and validation documentation will be available in 2022.
During the day, I calibrate a large number of pipettes, which is often very time-consuming and stressful, especially when it comes to multi-channel pipettes. We solve this problem with our myScal program, since using it in combination with the Sartorius SpeedCal multi-channel balance, the calibration of the multi-channel pipettes has decreased significantly. Before, the whole procedure took about an hour, now it takes about 15 minutes. The great thing is that we have implemented QR codes on the labels and calibration certificates. You just scan the QR code and it opens the equipment card in the application. Here you can see all instrument data, documents, calibration history, and download calibration certificates. All with just one click, really fast and practical.
One of the benefits of myScal is that it provides a true insight into your lab equipment. You can choose from a variety of graphical options and statistical reports in one interactive dashboard. We enable users to export data as PDF or Word document, multiple images or spreadsheets for use in other applications. It's very useful. For example, when you search for a particle instrument, you can filter the equipment by the type of equipment, owner, location, manufacturer and other filters, which is actually very convenient when you search for specific information.
We have fully adapted the program to the users and their requirements, which is especially evident in terms of calibration planning. Users receive automatic calibration reminders by email, which allows them to plan calibration more easily and precisely. The program provides a detailed chronological sequence of calibration, and the calibration plan is generated based on the current calibration period.
We developed myScal based on experience in our calibration laboratory to help laboratories around the world optimize their work. This software solution minimizes repetitive and duplicate actions on several levels in laboratory management, technical processes, documentation management, and communication with customers. The program preserves data integrity, is valid, and contains an audit trail, which makes it not only calibration software but also quality management software. myScal has really helped us calibrate more reliably, find data faster, and share documents with users. If you choose myScal for your lab, you certainly won't go wrong.